Welcome. So in this video today, you're going to learn how to monitor a process into your Linux environment and trigger a WhatsApp alert to your phone if the process is not running. For that, we're going to be using the Win application from Rapid API. So the first step, as described in here, is going to be go to Rapid API and register yourself. My case, obviously, I'm already registered, but you'll have all the information in the tutorials here. So once you are registered, then it's time to test, let's say, the CURL posting from your Linux. So for that, we go to this endpoint. If you want to check first, by the way, that this is running here, just check and you must receive a message on WhatsApp. So we go to these code snippets and select in here the shell CURL. Then we're going to copy this code and we're going to paste it in here. And there you go. So we received a message. All right. So the next thing we're going to do is to learn how to use the process ID of command to monitor a running process. In my case, I want to monitor a process that's called RTL AAS, which is not currently running. So I'm going to execute it first. There you go. And now the system, if I just go check again, I'll see that the process is running. So process ID off will return the process ID, but there is a modification to this command, which is -q, which will only return a true or false if the process is running. So, and this is what we'll be using in our simple bash script. So for that, by the way, we're going to be using a simple text editor. In my case, I'm using the Visual Code Editor. So we'll just create a new file. Say this is going to be a bash script file, and I'm going to call it test sh, an example. All right, and like I said, what we want to do is to, for the first line, obviously has to be telling that the interpreter is going to be bash. And then what we will do is a very simple if, then if not, the process identification of RTLAAS. So if it's not running, and like I said, we need to add the -q in here, then we just want to run this CURL. So we're going to get these again from Rapid API. We're going to change this message and say RTL IAS seems to be tone. All right. Now, if so, again, let's run this. And we see nothing is happening because basically the process is running. So let's kill it. For the sake of demonstrating this, to kill 4264 and then run it again. And there you go. Here we get the message. So all we need to do now, we're going to make it executable with chmod test h. Now let's test it. There you go. It is working properly. And all we need to do now is just to go to crontab and say that we want this to be to run every say 2 minutes, 2, 3, 4, and then um, Albert test and save it. And that's it. So basically, this is going to be running every 2 minutes. We'll do the check. And if the process is not running, then it will just send me a text on my WhatsApp. That's it. So I hope you guys liked the video. Please, ask as many questions as you wish, and we'll try to answer them in here. Thank you, and bye for now.